It's also important to know that your debit card does have a daily limit. This is put in place for your protection. If it ever gets stolen or in the wrong hands, that daily limit keeps them from racking up an excessive amount of charges against your card and your account. Your card will get denied if you plan to make charges that add up to more than what your daily limit is. So if you plan to make large purchases in a single day, all you have to do is call our client care center and we can temporarily raise that for you. If your card is lost or stolen, you will want to call us immediately. We can temporarily put a block on it for you while you look for it. If you don't find it, we can issue a new one to you. Again, you can contact one of our local branches that do offer the instant issue service, or we can have one mailed to you.